What's up, queens and kings? So I had to come back and do one more DIY for you guys before I actually jump into the series. I know what I promised you all, but I am here making some versatile candle holders. If you all would like to see how I make these gorgeous glam the holders, please continue to watch. Alright, so here are all the material. Most of the materials are from the Dollar Tree. You see I have a glue gun as well as glue sticks, but those came from Walmart. This little acrylic, faux acrylic, I'm not sure how you pronounce it, or translucent vase, that's what it is. I got from the Dollar Tree, as well as this block wood, which I have already spray painted silver. Then I got these little bling scripts that I did get from Amazon. I will link it down below, but you also can find these at Hobby Lobby. Catch a discount on them though. A pair of scissors, Dollar Tree little acrylic gems, and Dollar Tree little candle. Alright, queens and kings, so now we're going to glue our gems on the inside of the vase, and I'm going to glue one to one corner, and I'm going to glue one to the opposite corner, and I'm going to glue one in the middle, and I'm going to work my way around, going around the vase, going downward, instead of just doing this one section all the way down, because I feel like if I do, the back of the gems would basically get in the way of my hand going up and down out of the vase. So I'm just going to continue this method all the way around until I get to the entire bottom. These turned out so gorgeous, and as you can see, I did do two. Why not? So now we're going to move on to the next step, and that's gluing our spray painted ABC blocks on the bottom of the vases. So now we're going to take our bling wrap, and we're going to glue those around the blocks, which you could have done this step before you actually glued the blocks on there, but I wasn't thinking I really want to do this step by step. And what I did for one, I'm going to do for the other, as always. Thumbs up if you're enjoying this video so far. So now we're moving on to the next step, and that's gluing our candle holders on top. Now you see where I placed the glue in the middle? I didn't want to do that. I actually got ahead of myself and I was like, dang, why did I do that? And that's the reason why, because I didn't want the glue glob in the center of the candle holder. But anyways, we're just gonna move on. Okay, as gorgeous as these candle holders are, I still wanted to add a little bit more bling. And if you turn the vase upside down, this will be the top of the vase where I'm placing the bling at now. And I will also do the bottom part of the vase as well, but I will do that portion off camera. So you don't really have to do this part, it's up to you. I've just been a little bit more extra as blinging the candle holders out, but I love the way that they're turning out so far. Alright, queens and kings, so here is the first styling of the candles holders. I did made them pillow candles, not pillow but pillow candles holders at this point here. I love the way that they turned out. This is just the simplest look, but I think I love this style of I don't know, I probably have to see what the next style look like before I actually just give a total judgment. So here is the taper candle style. Now these here is a more low maintenance or whatever. These great for tabletops or whatever. I don't think they'll be great for um, tables or coffee table, but I love the way they look. But here they are together, and I'm just giving you guys both of the looks all in one. So if you queens and kings enjoyed the video, this is a simple versatile candle holders DIY. Please go ahead and give me a big thumbs up, comment down below, and share the video, and subscribe if you're new to the castle, and also turn on your post notification bell so therefore you don't miss out on another video. I will talk to you queens and kings in the next video. Bye bye.